It's really hard to have urgency and precision and intensity when everything keeps changing so often you can't find the routine in the thing, because you're just trying to keep your feet underneath you, and I'm trying to be urgent, but I don't even know where to go, right? If you watch the old Scooby-Doo, opening, like Scooby-Doo runs in 6 different directions at the same time really urgently and can't go anywhere, right? And sometimes we feel the need to just run somewhere. So like, I'm gonna be urgent. What are you doing? I have no idea, but I'm doing it urgent. Here, we're gonna, but the precision, the intensity, when things are changing so often, this is hard. Well, this is an adversity. So do we curse that adversity? Do we just say, this is terrible, or do we turn into that and say, hey, part of my life is the fact that we are gonna try to have these principles of urgency and intensity and precision, and do that in an environment of change, and do that when our car breaks down, and do that when life is not going well. And we're gonna be good at that because that's the game that we're in, and we're gonna figure that out. That's a challenge, right? But something changes. And when we look at that video and we're willing to fail, and it's okay if we don't do this right, we say, yeah, okay, let's turn into those. And let's figure out how to put all this together. Find new ways of collaborating and working together so that we can achieve those goals and deal with the inevitabilities that are coming anyway.